If you are a woman watching this video, I need you to know that the easiest way to achieve your dreams and to live the simplest, most dreamy life is by tapping into your feminine energy. And I know it's a lot easier said than done because we live in a man's world, but in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my 5 best tips to tap into your feminine energy. And these are the tips that I use because I used to work super hard and try to be like an independent bad bee girl, but it was draining me and it was causing me to be ugly. And when I started tapping into my feminine energy, not only did I become more successful, but I was able to flow with life and receive the things I wanted from the universe easier. So if you want to learn how by tapping into your feminine energy, then go ahead and keep on watching. My first tip to tap into your feminine energy is to slow down. We live in a fast-paced world. Everything is go, 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 but the man is go, 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 go. As the woman, you are supposed to slow down. Literally take time to rest because you need it. As a woman, you need more sleep. We literally have periods. We go through all these bodily things every single month. Like, take time to rest. Literally, the more you rest and slow down in your personal life, the more people will be able to tell that you are a feminine woman. Because if you are like super stressed out all the time and always on go, go, go mode, when you talk to somebody or when you try to be feminine, it's not going to come out. But if you rest and give yourself time to like really relaxed, and when you talk to somebody, you just come off as feminine because you're in your relaxed energy and you gave yourself the time that you needed to de-stress and to rest and to settle into being a woman. So my first and one of the greatest tips is going to be to slow down, rest, and relax. My second tip to being more feminine is to take care of yourself. Go get your nails done, go get your hair done, go do whatever you need to do to feel prettier because you look good, you feel good, you do good. The more, I feel like as women, 90% of like us is like looking, or not even looking good, it's just feeling good. If you feel good about your body, about the way you look, then you're going to perform better. You're going to come off sexier. The way you talk in conversation will be better. So do your best to look your best all the time. I literally get ready every single day. It takes you 5 minutes to do a makeup routine. Do it and you will approach the world better. So my second tip is definitely to look good, feel good, take care of yourself so that you feel always the most confident. My third tip to tap into your feminine energy is to have a creative outlet. For me personally, I love to dance and I dance every single day. I feel like if I don't dance, I like go through something every day because it just helps me release all the stagnant energy within me. It helps me express. It helps me feel like a woman. Literally, I love to dance. And if you are a woman and you've never tried to dance, try to dance. Everybody can dance. I used to think I couldn't dance. Every woman can dance. It's part of our nature to be sensual and feminine and flow like you do when you dance. But if you don't like to dance, then choose another creative outlet, whether it's painting, drawing, writing, singing, whatever your creative outlet is. As women, we are more creative. Like, we're literally imaginative and visualize, and we are born to create art. So find the art that you love to do, and that will literally help you the more art you create, the more you will transfer into your life. Like, ever since I started dancing, I just became more confident in my whole real life. I became more sensual. I became more feminine because I dance. Like, having a creative outlet allows you to be better in your regular life because it like transfers. I don't know how, but find your creative outlet and watch how it changes your life. My fourth tip to tap into your feminine energy is to allow yourself to feel. I feel like as women, we're like so emotional all the time, or we love too hard, or we do all these things, and like society tries to tell us that we're dumb for like loving too hard or feeling too much or being over emotional. But we are women. We are the emotional ones. So allow yourself to be a woman. That will literally help you tap into your feminine energy if you just allow yourself to feel, allow yourself to love, allow yourself to nurture, allow yourself to give without having it be conditional. Like, don't be scared to give love to a guy because you're not scared. You're scared that he's not going to love you back, or you're scared of rejection. Like, let it go, because the more you do for others, like the more you give love, the more you are nurturing, the more you are there for others, it does more for you as a woman than it does for the person receiving it. So whether or not you feel like your man or whoever you're giving this love to is appreciating it, it's doing more for you than it is for them. So continue giving, continue being light, continue being a woman, because being a woman is the most beautiful, loving, nurturing, feminine thing ever. So allow yourself to be without being scared of rejection, not being appreciated, and all those things that society tells you. Like, okay, he didn't appreciate it, who cares? Keep being loving. Another one will, you know? One will come around and will appreciate it. So keep being you. Don't get jaded. Don't get sad. Don't change yourself because somebody didn't appreciate it, you know? And finally, my fifth tip to allow yourself to tap into your feminine energy is to embrace your sensual and sexual nature. I feel like another thing that happens in society is women are shunned down or shamed to be like ashamed of their sensual nature. But as women, we literally own sex. Like, it's literally up to us, and we have, pussy is power, you know? So allow yourself to like be the master of yourself, and allow yourself to tap into your sensual nature and to feel sexy. Like, do things that make you feel sexy, because feeling sexy is powerful. Like, in a world where being sexy is constantly shamed, it's not. It's actually powerful, and that's men's tactics to bring us down. So allow yourself to be sexy, you know? If showing some tits makes you feel sexy, then show them. If wearing your hair like makes you feel sexy, do it. Like, if wearing a mini dress makes you feel sexy, do whatever it takes for you to feel sexy, but not just like look sexy, but also feel sexy within. Like, and sexy is like a confident bad bitch nature that like lets you know that no man is more powerful than you, because you got the pussy. So allow yourself to be the pussy power, because you are the power. And yeah, those are my 5 tips to tap into your feminine nature. If you tap into your feminine energy, life will get so easy for you. I promise you, everything will come to you, everything will flow to you, life will get so easy. So allow yourself to be a woman. You know, you're lucky. God chose you to be a woman, so embrace it and use it to your advantage. I'll catch you guys in my next video.